lesson on a song you may or may not have heard. It's called Air Forces. It's a play on words. It's not about military air forces. Alright, so that's the main chord progression that I just played. It's A flat minor 7. You can play it like this, or you can play it like this. Either way is fine. Then you could do F sharp, majors, just a major, regular old bar chord. This is where it gets funky. This is a chord. I guess you would call it a C sharp minor 9th, you know, with a B in the bass. Alright, so that is barred on the D and the A string at the 2nd fret. And then you're barring the G and the B string at the 4th. And then the cool thing is it goes to a C sharp major 9. Following it. And you just slide your index finger up to the 4th fret on the A string. And the D string is muted. And there you have your C sharp major 9. So that's why it's super cool and super funky. You know you shouldn't go outside. Alright. Super funky, super cool. You can play the A flat, pentatonic, minor pentatonic, but you're gonna have to add some outside notes, like maybe some. You're gonna have to add maybe like this on your E string, the 6th fret, and maybe on your B string you might add the 6th in there. Throw in this note on your 3rd fret at the G. So your A flat is just your home bass, and you're going to be adding notes out of the melody. And you can do the same one. I think this sounds better. A flat root on the 11th fret. This is an outside note on the 2nd string at the 11th fret. And it's very comfortable though, because your index finger is, you know, working on this same fret, so it's very comfortable. There's your melody right in there. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I know it's a kind of unusual chord progression, so hopefully this will help you out. Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more lessons like this. Bye.